Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to pin chat in sidebar on Chatgpt. The first thing you do is open up your Chatgpt app and then tap on the two lines at the top left corner. Tap on the chat you want to pin. Now if it's a chat between you and Chatgpt, you cannot pin it to sidebar. For example, this one, there's no option of pin to sidebar. Now the same thing with this, because it was a chat between me and the AI. It cannot be pinned to sidebar. But if it's something that was generated by one of the GPTs, for example, I decide to use this one. I use an AI song maker to create this song maker AI under GPT. So to create this various song about Nigeria. So if I want this one, I can find the option of keep in sidebar. So I tap on keep in sidebar, and now when I open here, you can see song maker added to my sidebar.